Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. The first thing we do is to check the map. Yeah. We'll have a breakfast, then we'll leave. Yeah. In maybe then 10 to 15 minutes.
It's more lunchtime.
Yeah. It's so cold, I cannot speak. My hands are frozen, my legs are frozen. I only have 10% battery in GoPro. Everything else is discharged. I don't know how much I will be able to cover.
You see, I will die before this century ends. But these mountains, they will survive. I might write poetries on them, try to glorify them, to present them more fascinatingly. No doubt they already are. But being a lover, I will try to enhance their glory through my work. People who cannot be here will experience these through my stories. I mean, I will die doing so much for these mountains, but will they remember me? Will the mountains love me back? Or will it always be a one-sided affair? Because that's how this man-mountain relationship is. You come here, you express your love, you go back. They will be here because there are millions of lovers riding up these streets to reach here and express their love for mountains. This is and will remain a one-sided affair. Leaving behind these mountains is like spending some good time with your one-sided love and then returning heavy-hearted, knowing the fact that you cannot take them home with you. All you can do is to go back home, lie down, look at their picture, miss them, and imagine the time when you will be able to come back here and relive with your love one more time, but still for some limited moments. I will miss them every day of my life, but will these mountains miss me equally? I will wait my whole life to be back here again and over again, but will the mountains wait for me? Will the mountains love me back?
I have conquered this mountain on my 2 wheels. This is so amazing. So amazing. Just don't want to stop. I want to keep climbing up, Don't want to stop. यही है चोपटा, यही है तुंगनाथ का ट्रैक। अभी जाना चाहिए कि कल जाएं? It's 2 PM. This is our hotel. सही है रास्ता?
रिस्क है ना, बढ़िया रास्ता है। एंजॉय करोगे लाइफ की मोमेंट को। लाइफ की मोमेंट वाकई में अल्टीमेट मोमेंट है। आपने अगर आज नहीं गए ना, मिस करोगे। हालांकि देखो पीक पे पहुंचना थोड़ा टिपिकल है, क्योंकि ट्रैकिंग की अगर आदत है फिर तो चले जाओगे। क्योंकि ना बर्फ आगे स्किट करना शुरू करते हैं, जो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट है वहाँ स्किट करेगी, अदरवाइज निकल जाओगे। जो फ्रेश बर्फ पड़ी है ना, जो नॉर्मल ट्रैक है उस पर मत चलना। जैसे ये बर्फ गिरी हुई है ना, जहाँ पैरों के निशान नहीं है वहाँ पैर बनाते हुए निकल जाना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। ऊपर कोई फिसला नहीं, कोई कुछ नहीं, अपना रास्ता बना के चलना।
अच्छा,
बिल्कुल सारा ट्रैक आपका होना चाहिए, दूसरे के ट्रैक पे मत चलना।
चंद्रशिला जाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा?
चंद्रशिला नहीं पहुंच पाओगे, वो आगे वो टिपिकल है चंद्रशिला।
अच्छा,
टिपिकल है।
चलो
तक फिर भी पहुंच जाओगे। जो एक पॉइंट आएगा हाईएस्ट जहाँ से टर्न लेते हैं, बस वहाँ तक की दिक्कत है।
ओके, थैंक यू। Half kilometer so far, and all you can see is snow. The mare is way ahead of me. The disadvantages of being a smoker, very slow compared to him. I wanted to stay, rest today, then start our trek tomorrow. But the mayor is kind of wanting to do it today. He said he at least wanted to give it a try, so he is equally mad. It's getting really difficult to climb up. You can see this. I climbed up from those trees. Zigzag. So it's 3.5 kilometers when you're walking on a route. Now there's no route at all. So there's a snow-made route which is lengthier than the normal trek. एक्चुअल ऐसा दिखता है असली रास्ता, ऐसे पत्थरों से बना हुआ है, लेकिन वो सारा ढक गया है। एंड इट इज़ नाउ लाइक दिस, क्योंकि ट्रैक्स के बाद वो दब के स्नो से आइस बन जाता है। आई एम स्लिपिंग ऑन एवरी स्टेप विच आई टेक। कमिंग। This is amazing. I'm very tired. This is what we need to walk on, and I'll show you where we are. Height of the mountains in front of us is lower than what we are at. This is what you see while you're trekking. This is scary, but didn't I wanted it? I was so stupid to not carry my chesty over here. I thought carrying a monopod would be better, so that I will finally be able to shoot myself. I don't know where Tamer is. That's the toughest part. Jatatavi kalachala pravaha pavithasthale Galevalam vilambitam bhujang tunga malikam Damat 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 damaninat vattamalam Chakar chandra tandavam tanu tuna shiva shivam Jatakata Hasambrama Pramanilam Panirjari Vilolu Vichivallari Virajuman Murtani Dhagat 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 Chwalalat Pattu Pavake Om Namah Shivaya. So this is the highest I have reached, and the complete route is blocked. You see Tamer over there, the last guy standing. So it's not at all scared, and I already feel scared. Let me show you what happens. What place am I at? See how the people are trying to go down. Yeah. How will you go down?
एड़ा कोक्का इतनी नोट दिखाओ
चल के नहीं करोगे जाएंगे पिसा देंगे बहुत गंदा
It started snowing. I don't know what should I do. Should I attempt? Should I at least attempt till where Tamer is? Should I return? Let's see. So this is it for us. It is snowing. Tamer is there. He wanted to go ahead, but I made him realize that we will definitely go ahead and reach the temple. But how will we come down? It's already night over here on these mountains, and it started snowing, and we don't know how much will it snow, and after the snow how much of these routes, even if we can see these routes or not. I only have 5% battery on my GoPro. I think this would be the last clip of this trek, or maybe today. He fell and that railing saved him. Jump off, go there. How will you come down? Oh yeah, carefully. Carefully. No, no.
I love the slide. Come on. Yeah, we go down here.
You go first, you catch me.
I'll try.
Sure. I'm scared.
Why?
I'm a scared guy with everything which happens to me.
I don't have the final poem because I've just deleted my WhatsApp. This is raw one. It might not rhyme with it. क्योंकि जिद से बड़ा कुछ नहीं होता. कभी कहीं लिख के भूल गया था. पर इसका सच में कोई मायने भी है. तब ये कहाँ पता था.
Om Namah Shivaya. My hands are frozen.